So I just wanted to provide a little update on the microcontroller simulator I've been working on. I have created a display element, and the way it works is writing to a number will darken that segment on the display, and then writing the negative of that number will turn it back off. So, for example, we could move the number at accumulator to pin 0, add 1 to it, and then if the accumulator gets greater than 100, what we can do is we can multiply the accumulator by -1, and what that'll do is we will then be at -100, and then we can go back, we'll continue adding 1, and we'll turn all the segments off that we turned on. And I can demonstrate that here. Oh. Yeah, conditional execution is the plus operator. We do a after something like a target greater than, we add a plus sign to show that we want this to be the conditional execution. If target greater than, then we want to multiply by -1. And if we wanted to do more lines, we just do we could do another line with another plus after that. Like say I wanted to add 20, then we'll see that it'll start from further back. Yeah, you see that? So that's how that works. And then I have another program that I can show off. There's a couple ways to do it here. The one with add is more simple, but I wanted to show that I did make a modulus operator and a division operator, or function, I mean, a modulus function and a division function, and a jump function as well. I made it so that you can do jumps as well. And I'll show how that works in just a moment. But this will fill the columns. Will fill by columns because it gets past 100 and then it subtracts 99. So you see it goes forward by 1 every time until it just restarts. So it could show a jump. And I just wanted to demonstrate the jump command. So I've got a little program here to demonstrate it. What this is going to do is we're going to keep adding to, we're going to move what's the accumulator to P0, and then add, and then move again, add, and but once we get past 49, we're going to jump past the move step, so it'll stop printing. It'll stop turning on the corresponding segment. But once it gets past 75, it'll multiply by -1, and it'll start to go the other way and turn the segments all back off. So what this does ultimately is it's going to get about halfway. When we get to 49, it's going to jump to the end. So now it's just jumping to the end, and it's skipping this step. And then once we got greater than 75, we multiplied it by -1, and we started going the other way. So yeah, that's just a quick use case for the jump command. So I've got a output device here with a little bit more that you can do with it, and some more commands to make it so you could do more with the microcontroller as well. So I'm excited for where I'm going with the project. Next, hopefully, I'll get some input devices so we can input to the microcontroller and be able to control what's on the screen in real time. But for now, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.